Welcome. Today we're going to make a super simple recipe. It's already pretty much pre-made. It's what I use before I go to work out. You always want to carb up about an hour before you work out. Maybe a little protein, a little bit of fat, but mostly carbs. And we're going to make some protein pancakes by Kodiak. All right, let's see how these protein pancakes are made.
Now we've got about a cup of pancake mix. We're going to add about tablespoon and a half of cocoa powder, a little cocoa flavor in there, and some blueberries. Now we've got our hot pan again. We're going to get some cooking spray in there. We're going to put in our pancake mix. Now I'm just using this small pan, and it's kind of hard to get the mix out. It's very sticky. And we're just going to make one big heaping pancake this time. That's kind of like spreading out. What I find is the protein pancakes, they're a little bit thicker than your normal pancake mix. So if you make them too thick, it's very, the inside can sort of be undone. Now, one thing I have a problem with pancakes is I always rush it, and I want to flip them a little early. So you can see that they're not just quite done. And with this pan, that spatula's not working out very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a rice paddle. It's got a little bit of hook there, so it flips that pancake perfectly. See, now we're getting the good outside doneness there. It is going to take a little bit longer to cook because of that, thickness in the pancake mix. So we're going to flip it just a few times to make sure the center gets done. That paddle works really good with pancakes. Kind of flattening it out, want to make sure we get it evenly cooked all around, and voila, look at that pancake. Now we're adding a little butter on there. If you're in a fat loss phase, you can maybe not put that on, but you know what? We're going to live a little bit the 80-20 rule, where we've got 80% good stuff and 20% fun stuff. That is looking really delicious.
Well, that was super simple, really easy to make. Throw a couple of blueberries in there and you've got some extra carbs. Now, before you work out, about an hour before, you want to carb up. It's really important. I can't tell you how many people I talk to where they don't eat anything before they go work out. You need to get those glycogen stores, up. So you have a really good workout. I mean, your workout will be okay, but it'll be much more efficient if you have some carbs before it. All right. Well, if you like what you see, like and subscribe, and you'll see you a little bit lighter and a little bit healthier.